Okay, now we're diving into the next section of what is price action. Now, some things to keep in mind is when you're looking at the chart, you don't need to know every pattern. You don't need to know the names of every pattern as well. What I'm going to be showing you is the patterns that I use, the candlesticks that I look for, but I don't look at every candle pattern, every formation. I don't look at everything. Because if you look at everything, trust me, you're going to get blindsided. You are going to be all over the place because you're going to be, oh, let me look if I see this. Let me look if I see that. You just can't know every pattern in the market or to be able to look for everything in the market. What you're going to need is just to know a few of them. When you see them, execute them with your trading plan. This is what price action is. Price action is only when you're looking at the chart, making decisions off that. So right here, as you see, I have a chart. There's just nothing but the candlesticks. And the candlesticks are what price is basically. And there's no indicators. There's nothing on the chart besides these candlesticks that you see. So you're not really incorporating news or indicators. You're looking at only candlesticks and price and for certain patterns. So with price action, when people say price action is king, that means, okay, we're not looking for indicators uh, to help us decide whether to take a trade or not, because indicators follow movements based on what price is doing or making candlesticks. Price action alone should be learned first. You can't just rely on indicators and news. Price action tells us what the market wants to do. So when people say, oh, they use news to dictate the direction, well, the candlesticks are probably already saying what the news is going to say anyway. Like for me, I've never used news for my trading. I've always used it based off of technical analysis with the price action. And when I use that, either way, I'm either way when I'm right, it's going in the direction of what the news already dictated. But price tells us beforehand, even when the news doesn't. So that's why price action is king, and this is what price action is. Let's dive into the next part of candlesticks.